Hello guys! Some of you were asking how to efficiently remove the stump from the forest, from the park, from your garden. You can use the Bobcat forestry cutter or the mini excavator. But most efficient way how to do it is to use the Bobcat Stump Grinder. We can offer you 3 models which you can fit on the loader from the MT100 up to T86. I have here the SGX60, the high flow model with the Bobcat T590 truck loader. Let me show you how the grinder works and how to use it. We have the arm with the wheel. Wheel has the 60 cm diameter and has the carbide tips. Be sure they are sharp and properly tightened to the wheel. Here is the grill which protects the operator in the cabin. The way to grind is super easy. Let's jump in the cabin and I'll show you how to use it. Start the engine. Press to operate. Activate the aux. High flow for this model, so both LEDs must be on. Press the trigger to start rotation. The left pedal to the left, swing arm in this way. The left pedal to the right, swing in this way. This set of buttons control the arm down and up. This set of buttons control the boom down and up. To stop the attachment, you press trigger again. Position the attachment next to the stump to have good visibility on it. Put the attachment on the ground. Start the rotation by the trigger. You can increase the RPM. Adjust your arm and then swing with the arm. It's this set of buttons. Then you can lower it by this button and swing again. Go piece by piece, little by little. If you try to grind too much, you will not be effective. It depends on the age and the type of the tree. The old wood goes better. So position your arm and swing. Do little by little, piece by piece, then reposition the boom and swing again. Don't do much in one go. The good thing with the stump grinder is you can go underground, so you can cut the roots as well. Usually the 20 centimeters below the ground is more than enough. So guys, you can see the stump is gone in few moments, only the chips are all around. So my tip for today is you can use the attachment as the blade and backfill the hole. Thank you for watching, leave me a comment and see you next time.